What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is David. You're on the Abernathy Farm. Today, we are back in Troutman, North Carolina on the Jacob Troutman cabin. I have been here. It's been a couple weeks, but I have been here doing work. I filmed some of it, but it was mostly just putting logs in walls. Go in here. 2 weeks ago, we put these walls up. Last week we put these walls up, and then over the weekend while I was at work, my cousin Johnny started sheeting the roof, and I'm assuming that's what we're going to be doing today. But I'll insert a little bit of footage of us putting these walls up right here. Here we got a view from the top, up on the roof. Nobody else is here. I got here a little early. So the plan is to sheet the whole roof with these 1x, and then put a weatherproof rubber membrane down, and then strips on top of that, and then for an air gap, and then the metal roofing on top of that. I do believe they've got the metal roofing already ordered. So all we gotta do now is wait for Johnny to get here, and then we'll get started. So as of right now, the plan is to not insulate the roof. So these boards, what you're seeing now, what you're seeing here now, is gonna be visible from the bottom. And when we get that membrane on there, it'll cover them holes, cracks, gaps, so you won't. And these boards aren't nailed down either. They're just up there. We'll go down. He's gonna go back and nail them all because it got an air nailer. It don't take long. So anyway, I'm taking the side that's gonna be down, and if I'd have had some advanced notification, I'd have bought my battery sander back up here, but I guess they've been cleaning it up some with this sanding block. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. My cousin had to go back to his house and get some stuff he'd forgot. So the side that's going down, that's going to be visible from the floor, I am cleaning up with this block and some sandpaper. It's kind of monotonous, but that's what we're doing. So we had to make some modifications to this wall. We had to raise everything to get it where everything meets in the corner correctly. So we just got that done. Now, we had a twist in that rafter there. I don't know if you can see it in the sun. I got a twist in this one. So, we don't have another C-clamp. So we're trying to figure out if we need to go get another C-clamp or if we can rig something else up. I mean, that cobalt clamp ain't gonna hold that. So me and Jimmy are working on walls here. Johnny Cat's up there putting on roofing. We're getting her knocked out.
John, you got the impact hammer up there?
Yeah, it's right there.
Never mind, carry on.
Jeez, Jimmy. That's a fantastic job. Nice, tight.
You're supposed to kind of like take your time when you step down.
I think,
Like this.
okay, we'll take our time next time.
Yeah. That's how you're supposed to come down.
We'll have to come out like a ball of fire.
Steps. Or you just walk out the house.
Fire.
Make some.
Yeah.
Another day.
We're calling it a day. I gotta go help my mama do stuff. We got a lot of the roofing on. We got that wall around the corner corrected. Me and Jimmy got this wall up. It looks tight. We'll see you next time.